Hi, I want to show you how to create company seal or rubber stamp template. So you go to MyStampReady.com. So you have here, you see here stamp maker. So you can choose templates. Here diverse templates. You need just put the templates and give you date here. So you can change the color. You can save your your layout. So you put here mail and you become the link with this one. So, or you can create new stamp. So round, triangle, or rectangle. I will create round. So one more. So and text around. Spacing and start point. I like this one. So India. What's a little bit bigger. Yeah. And so you can leave the text in the center. Here I want to put some image. So lotus. And something around here. We will go to elements decor. Oh, this one. I like this one. So your stamp is ready. So you can here again change the color. Yeah, so nice. And then you go to download layout. So then you choose what you want. PNG, SVG, vector, with PDF and with docs. Here, this most popular. Thank you.